Today I'll be showing you how to change the element on your Ink Expert's mug press. We have a range of mug elements here from latte to Durham, but a common question we're asked is, does a tumbler press element fit on a mug press? And unfortunately it doesn't. You can see the size difference there, and although this will screw into the press, you don't have enough pressure from the press to press onto a tumbler. So for anything larger, like one of these, you will need an Ink Expert's tumbler press. Now, to remove the element on this, we first have to turn the power off and ensure that the element has cooled all the way down. With that done, open the press and remove the thumb screws that are securing the element. With all four of these removed, we can then move on to the power cable. We unscrew the power cable from the control box and just pull. This comes right out and the element can then be removed. I'll be changing this today with a 6-ounce element, and we can do the process in reverse. We simply put the element back into the press, line it up with the screw holes, and then close the press to make it easier to put the thumb screws in. Now you need to put all 4 thumb screws in and screw them right the way down. Tighten them as much as you can so the element is secure, and then we can move on to the power cable. We plug this into the control box and then screw on the adjoining connector. With this done, your element's installed and ready to be used.